Alright, hi. It has been, many years since I've posted anything on any of my channels, or even put anything on DeviantArt. Hello. That is a Remy. Anyway, I just wanted to show that I'm still around. I mean, I guess if anyone has still been following, this channel now has dinosaurs on it, which is cool, I guess. I don't know. I just decided to redraw a picture that I did a long time ago. Actually, let me see if I can even find it. It is from 2010, which was what, 12 years ago? Ugh, something like that. It's been a while. It's been a minute. I did make a lot of mistakes. I'm kind of messing around with this program because back in the day I used Windows Movie Maker, which is not really a thing anymore. I'm guessing no one really remembers my old YouTube account, but of Autumn Leaf. Oh, those were the days. Well, that account is dead. I can't even log into it anymore, so that's fun. That stuff's all just kind of there forever. I wish I could delete some of it because it's pretty bad, pretty terrible. I would recommend looking into it. Don't do it. It's bad. Yeah, all that stuff is like 11 years old. I think the newest thing is 10 years old. It's been like a decade since I've really touched YouTube. Yeah, good times. Anyway, yep, there's my little wolf drawing. A lot has gone on. I've been married a while now. I don't really got anything else to say. Just kind of wanted to be like, hey, still alive, still drawing, still doing things. Okay. I guess quiet. Maybe I'll upload more stuff and not be so inactive anymore. We'll see. Probably not. You never know. I'm so indecisive. I apologize, but that's how things are these days. Alright, well, this is Ossiekins saying goodbye for now. Okay, bye.